Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into Vivo Y76 5G. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Here go into voice option and now tapping voice match. And the last one, tap here on the switcher to activate your OK Google. And now we need to give access to your assistant, tap next. Yeah, I agree. And now we must say OK Google, OK Google, and last one, OK Google. And how you can see, OK Google is ready to use, tap finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.